Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut. Matching hair dye. And many much more stylish ideas, latest collection. Of low maintenance hairstyle for girls. For women's. For mature women's. See in this video, I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyling, fine hairstyle. Some collection, messy hairstyle. Different ideas of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. The very beautiful ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. With different ideas of base color. And so beautiful collection of trendy ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut. Wedge haircut. And different type of cut, some ideas layered. Deep layered. Some ideas step. Undercut. And so beautiful ideas of undercut and shaved art in different haircut. And so beautiful ideas of different type of cuts, some ideas layered, some ideas step. And many much more beautiful and attractive collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection. new ideas. Take care and bye bye.